Hey there, kiddos. All right, so video number 2. How do these line or dot plots work? Well, they're nice because they give you a general sense of the data. What happens is each one of these indicates a dot or an X. Each one indicates one room, in this case, with a value of whatever is that bottom number. So if we have an X here, that means there's one room with 19 students. 4 X's means there's 4 rooms with 19 students. It also gives you a nice measure of their spread, so you can see that they're clustered around here and skewed to the right. So looking at the values this way, it's just a quick and easy way to see a lot about the measures of central tendency. Counting all the X's tells us that there were 20 rooms total that were surveyed in this little example here. So the mean is going to be, we need to find the total number of students divided by number of rooms. So I'm going to write number of rooms with the number of students. So 4 rooms with 19 kids, 4 times 19. It's a little bit quicker, an easier way to total things up. Also, when we get to frequency tables, that will help. So multiplying those all out gives us that. We add it up to get a total of 416 students, which when we divide by the 20 rooms, gives us an average of 20.8 students per room. All right, so now finding the median. These are already kind of ordered, so if we count from the back, we already know there's 20 students, so if we count 10 in, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and since there's 20, it's actually the 10th and the 11th. Or if we count back this way and get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, our two middle numbers are the same, so the median is 21. It's very easy to see that the column with the most X's is our mode. There were 6 rooms with 21, so since they have the most, the mode is actually equal to 21. So it's not the number of X's, it's the which value occurred the most times. And then the range is, in this case, defined to be the highest value minus the lowest value. Well, there was one value of 21, or 124 rather. There's one value of 24, and then our lowest value was 19 kids in a room. So 24 minus 19 gives us 5 for the range, 5 students.